Hey, what is up guys, this is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete the background of an image straight from online. Alright, so you wouldn't need any programs like Photoshop, Paint, or any other photo editing software to delete it. You can just do it online for free and really easily. Okay, so there's a website called Pixlr that allows you to do that. Okay, so this is the website they have over here. It's a full-fledged online photo editing software, right? So you don't have to delete you don't have to download anything to use it. Okay, so it's similar to Photoshop, probably not that advanced, but it does offer the different features that Photoshop allows you, like different layers, editing, eraser, spot correction, all those features it allows you to do. Okay, so they have two softwares. One is called the Pixlr X and the other is the Pixlr Editor. The X is, I believe, it's newer and it doesn't have all the features as the editor, but it is a lot more faster, and it does work more seamlessly. All right, while the editor, it uses Flash, so Flash is really kind of slow, and it does cause it doesn't always work the way you want it to work. Okay, so you want to try the feature we're going to use is only available on the editor as of now, right? So you want to click the editor and make sure you have Flash installed. I do have Flash installed, but I don't know why my browser is not detecting it, right? So I have it open over here on Internet Explorer. It works here fine. Alright, so I'm going to just stick with this and we'll use this. Alright, so now what I want to do is open image from computer. Okay, you can create a new image, brand new image, and you can even get one straight from a URL, which is pretty nice. Alright, so I'll just do one from the computer. I don't know, I'll use this one. Alright, so it loaded, and now we have the image here. You can see our toolbar here. Let me just go into full screen mode, because there are supposed to be some more menus on the right hand side, but I think they're under the ad. Okay, so I want to just change my view to full screen. Okay, so there we see it. Alright, so first thing we want to do is unlock the layer so we can make changes to it. Second thing we want to do is select this wand tool and click. Okay, and then once we have that clicked, right, we can now erase the background stuff. Okay, and normally you can press delete to make it work, right? But I've tried that doesn't always work, right? So I guess what you can do is, let me just fix this. What you can do is do it manually, and the way you do that is you want to select the eraser tool, right? You can just do the brush to 200, and yeah, and basically just erase everything. Everything but the image will be erased. Okay, so there we have it, and now we can deselect it, right? Deselect all, and we have our image here. Let's save it. File, save. Alright, let's do the image the greatest, and obviously you want to save it as a PNG, right? So to have transparent backgrounds, they would only work in PNG. You can't save it in JPEG or any other format. Okay, so I'll just save it here. Alright, so now let me open up the so I don't know what error that is, but let me open up the image and basically show you guys how it looks. That's basically the image. This is the image before, and that's after. Okay, so it's pretty good. You can still see there's some slight white border around it on some parts. That obviously you can zoom in, get more nitty gritty, and fix it. But for the most part, I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think about this software. Do you guys think it's good? Do any of you use it? So yeah, if you guys want more tutorials about using the software, just let me know. I'd love to help you guys out. So yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.